Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and today I'm going to make a breakfast dish, a Southern breakfast cornbread casserole. That is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. I have in this cup salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I have fresh minced parsley. I have chopped green onions. In this cup, I have diced red pepper and green pepper. I have in this bowl pork sausage. I have eggs. I have cornbread mix here that I already mixed up. You can use any packaged cornbread mix you like and follow the direction on the box. It'll tell you how to make it. Milk, shredded cheddar cheese. Now let's get to making the Southern cornbread casserole. I have a saute pan here. I'm going to turn it to medium high. And I'm going to add the sausage to the pan. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, while the sausage is sauteing up, let's mix the other ingredients that we will be using. I have the eggs here. I'm going to put in this bowl. The milk. The seasonings. And we're going to take a whisk and whisk this up together. I chose this dish because it's a simple and quick breakfast casserole for you to make. Now, we're going to add the chopped green onions, the parsley, we're going to whisk all this up. Then we're going to set this to the side and wait for the sausage to cook. Look at the sausage jumping in the pan. I just added the red and the green bell pepper to the sausage. We're going to let this saute up for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now let's see if the sausage and the red and green bell pepper is ready. Yes, it is. Now we're going to turn this off, and this is what we're going to do next. Now I have a casserole dish here that I oiled, and we're going to put in the first step. We're going to add half of the cornbread mix. And to the egg mixture, we're going to add the shredded cheddar cheese. Mix that up. Now to the egg mixture, I'm going to add the sausage and the red and green bell peppers. Then we're going to whisk this up together. Then we're going to add it to casserole. And now we're going to top it off with the rest of the cornbread. Then I'm going to pop it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. Now the casserole is out the oven, and let's cut it to see how it came out. There you have it, Southern Cornbread Breakfast Casserole. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe I made today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Oh, yes, and by the way, don't forget to watch some of my earlier videos. I will have them in the screen below. Bye.